Excuse me.
Hi. Yes?
Hi.
Hello?
Name is Percy.
Chicho?
Good. I've been watching you around.
Oh, really?
Watching you very closely.
I see.
And I like you. I mean, I hope you wouldn't mind having an extra male friend.
Sure, why not?
Okay, so can I have your number?
024 28 2231.
282231 space phone. Okay.
I have to move on now. So
No worries. I'll get in touch, okay?
Hey, yeah! Charlie, bath feels good, man.
Masabe, you know.
Oh, Charlie, I drink to that.
Charlie.
That's so what?
Do my own thing, bro.
Obama, one more baby star.
You know, finish the thing and you come baby star.
For me, you have to celebrate to that.
Sure.
Yes, man.
Yes, sir. Malon.
First,
Do my thing.
make I ask you, you this small thing you live with, you behave like you calm down. You go fit. Me, I no go fit.
lie down.
If I lift this thing, what is your master? Make you lie well.
I'm trying. But you, I say, if you no go fit them, the whole block go here.
Why would this boy go die?
Say the fit.
Why would you know, Mommy, I know what to do. Charlie, tell him. Charlie, why you push that in? Who push what? Why you push that in? You push not. You push that in. You know not. Look, say your thing. Sale.
Ano man?
Sale.
Hey, Reggie, I'm knackered. I've had enough. You just quit. That's all.
You just not good enough for me. You're
Think
not
so?
good enough for me.
Very
That's all.
funny.
I'm tired.
I know.
I've had a good workout anyway.
Thanks. You know you can always count on me.
Tired. I think I'm getting it. Hey, who's that? One of your admirers, huh?
This guy's been chasing for the past few weeks. He thinks he can't keep answer to the another department. Check this out.
Darling sweetheart, good morning and take care of your sweet self. This is sweet. Who's that?
Just one of the men on the pro.
Oh,
a
come
joke.
on. Don't be mean.
What do you mean by don't be mean? I mean,
Just be nice to them. It's
I
good.
Has it been said?
Sharp. My love. What's the next line?
I need to go into the nitty-gritty of my moves with you guys. I'm serious with my baby star. You go be chew all the time. Get there.
Who that? Excuse me, gentlemen. But the music is too loud. So,
the hell do you think? Huh? No.
Happy dog.
Look here. I hope I never smell neither your foul-smelling soup nor your rotten stews ever on this line again. Else there'll be war.
Gentlemen, please tell your comrades to be a bit more so. After all, we are not at war.
No, but what's funny?
And in situations such as we find ourselves, I will always advise rational thought and a certain esprit de corps to reign.
Bravo! Oh, dog, bro.
I beg my way.
Okay.
Good day, gentlemen.
I don't know why you guys humor him so much. I simply can't stand his level.
Hey, me, I do want to here. All you need is I need TP and low.
Oh, stop it!
Why don't trouble them? Why don't trouble them? Hold it here. Yes.
Brothers, forgive me. I must crave your indulgence once again.
Yes. Kojo, what's the problem?
Delido, your milk. Can I have some?
Oh, help yourself.
It will match nicely with my half-fatty cake.
Okay.
Thank you. God bless you.
Oh, my lad.
This is what I call balls.
Oh, my lad.
Kojo is okay.
Thank you very much. God bless.
You're always welcome, man. For example, come here. Hey, Willie.
This girl, yeah, she have class, oh. All class.
Dad.
Oh, that. The sister is a queen, alright.
That'll be a risk for you guys.
Yeah, man, a real African queen. Get a life, racist. Just check out the way she carries herself. Oh, yeah. Yeah. By the way, appearance can be deceptive. Charlie, but I hear this one is pure. Yeah, man.
Talking about class and queens, about time I send a text to my own queen.
Advise yourself.
Chalk.
What's this? Dreamer.
Charlie Malone. Show the maximum 2 weeks should be mine.
Percy,
Yeah, man.
careful about that girl. I told you before, and I'm telling you again.
Why? You don't trust me. This be Percy, man.
That girl be first class bouncer.
Not me. She the shy self. Bounce Percy. You talk as if you don't know me, Charlie. You can send her another text, make you know say I dey rain. Charlie.
Me too, and I thought I'll just stop by and say hi.
Thanks for the thought. You're welcome.
Yeah, thank you. That's it. Yeah, thank you.
Can I get you water or something?
That's alright. I've had some. But I bought you some more. This is to appease my weakness for extra minutes. And for helping with my assignments.
You shouldn't have. That was nothing.
I wanted to.
Thank you very much, Miss Ai. And you are full of surprises.
There's more. And please call me Chicho.
The guy has something up his schedule from the way he's walking. Master, what be the speed?
Look, bad things.
Doomsday prophet. You again.
Oh, relax.
You again.
You don't know what happened. Look, I just saw Chuchu.
You mean my own Chuchu?
Most definitely.
Yeah, man!
And she was entering Kojua Princess' room.
Huh? Eh? And is that news? What's wrong with that?
Charlie, this thing be serious fella. What did
Look, I have told you I don't like something about that guy. Besides, what do the two of them have in common?
No, but it's Kojo's roommate, Martin. Is he not around?
I'm not sure, but I think he's gone to the beach.
No, maybe he's explaining some assignment to her or something. Charlie, no.
This is no news.
Oh,
Alright, of course. This is what I'll do. Let me call and find out what's happening, okay?
This is absurd. You guys know the girl saved this. You boys be something though.
There's some pretty interesting stuff in here. Can I borrow this book?
Most certainly. And there are more up there.
I'll look at those when I bring this one. Do you play chess?
Just a little.
I'm sure you're being modest. What will you teach me then? Oh, excuse me. Hello? Who is this?
Hello, sweetest heart. Yeah, how you doing?
Whoever it is, you either get serious or hang up.
Why don't you know my number? Yeah, my name is Percy. Yeah, Percy or Sabons.
Well, Percy, I've told you to stop harassing me. What part of that don't you understand? I am not interested.
Okay.
Sorry about that, Squidjo.
Oh, that's all right. That's all right.
I think I'd like to leave now. When will you pay me a visit for lunch?
You fix the date.
Tomorrow at 2?
That's fine with me.
Well, see you then. Have a good day.
Thanks so much.
You're welcome.
Dude, she cut the line.
Boom! Okay, guys, relax. Charlie, something. Maybe one of them.
I know advise them.
No, chill. Charlie,
I make a call her see him. Charlie, I mean,
good.
maybe one of them.
You go there already.
Oh no, it will be. No, make a call. No, Charlie, you relax. Let her cry.